Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Make with Bella. This is the only channel that brings you delightful recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Today I have a special treat for you. Homemade delicious spring rolls. Yes. So join me, let's make these from scratch. We are going to start with the fillings. There are varieties of options, but we are going to use some shredded carrots, chopped green bell peppers and onion, chili powder, salt, and then our protein. Details of the ingredients used is available on the description section, so make sure you check it out before you start. Now cook your fillings for about 10 minutes, and once it is done, you set aside to cool. Now to the wraps. Mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of water together to make a slightly thick batter. Make sure the batter is not too thick or too thin, just like this is perfect. Heat your pan on a low to medium heat. Make sure the pan is slightly hot and not too hot. Then with a brush, spread the batter evenly on the pan till every part is covered, just like I am doing. Leave it to cool for about 1 to 2 minutes, then take it out. Repeat the step until the batter is almost done. Remember to leave about 3 tablespoons of the butter. We are going to use it to seal the rolls. These are the wraps that I made. Now let's roll it up. Put your fillings on the edge of the wrap and then fold the bottom edge over the fillings. Now fold in the sides. Gently roll it up, making sure it is tight and secure. Brush some of the butter at the edge and then seal it. Repeat this process until you've used all the fillings and the wraps. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium to high heat and then carefully place the spring rolls in the hot oil and fry until they turn golden brown. And there you have it, your very own homemade spring rolls are ready to be served with your favorite dipping sauces such as chili sauce or with any kind of drink. You can also check my green chili sauce recipe, which the link is shared in the description section. These delicious rolls are perfect for any occasion. Thanks for joining me and exploring this wonderful recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and then turn on the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.